Hey, Sophie.
Hey, you know what I'm doing?
What?
I'm collecting snails.
Let's see the snails. Let's get a close-up. Wow, that's a lot of snails.
I know. I'm helping my grandma's garden because they destroyed it right here. The hole's there.
Oh, I see.
And do you
The
wanna
house does.
do you wanna go and help me find some snails?
Sure.
There's right here. Probably one here.
They're in there.
Yeah. Oop, I found one.
You have good eyes.
See? Let's put them in here.
What are you gonna do with them after?
I don't know. Maybe keep them for my collection of snails.
Make sure you put a green leaf in there.
Oop, found one.
Ooh, that one has no shell, huh?
This one has a shell.
Okay.
See one here.
It's tiny.
I know.
That's the smallest one I found that I've seen.
Actually, there's actually small ones in here.
There's smaller ones?
Yeah. Get in there. I know they're gross, but I'm helping my grandma's garden.
No, that's good.
I'm gonna do good things, like helping my grandma's garden.
Grow better.
What?
Helping your grandma's garden grow.